we're going to make a Greek salad with tortellinis and vegetables.
That was my daughter. So we are going to go ahead and mix the tortellini in there. The banana peppers. Black olives. Tomatoes. Some calmata olives sliced. Drain those well, those are salty. Cucumbers. Red onion. And some delicious yellow sweet bell peppers. Last ingredient, feta cheese. You just have to use as much ingredients of the different kinds as you like. Some people like the tomatoes. My family doesn't like tomatoes, just me and my daughter. So they're going to end up picking them out. So that's why I didn't use very many tomatoes. Because we'll just get theirs anyway. Then you just go ahead and mix it up. And then use some Greek salad dressing. Delicious.